Hello दोस्तों, hope today you are doing well. Now we are talking about what is management. Let's talk about what is management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources, humans, financial, materials to achieve organizational goals effectively and efficiently. It involves setting objectives, designing processes, and making decisions to ensure that an organizations operate smoothly and achieve its desired outcome. The process of management can be broadly categorized into four functions. The first one, planning. This involves setting goals, determining the best course of action to achieve these goals, and creating plans and schedules to guide operations. This, the second function of management is organizing. This involves arranging and coordinating the activities and resources needed to implement the plans. This includes defining rules, responsibilities, and relationships as well as allocating resources. The third one is leading. This involves communicating the plans and inspiring, directing, and motivating employees to work toward the organizational goals. The last one is controlling. This involves monitoring process toward goals, comparing actual performance with the plans, and making adjustments as necessary. This helps to ensure that the organization stay on track and achieve its goal. These functions are interrelated and interactive, meaning that they are repeatedly in continuous cycles to continuously improve the management's process organization's performance. Thank you.